too. So what happened after that? I know. Well, you know, you can't let him do that to you. You can't let him do that to you. Say, roar, roar, roar. I know. Well, we're going to go to the shop today, okay? Yeah!